Meet the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Not just another robot cleaner, but a smart home game changer. With powerful suction and precision LiDAR navigation, it maps your home in minutes, cleaning room by room with pinpoint accuracy. Unlike many competitors, the Shark AI Ultra can self-empty its dustbin for up to 60 days, so you can forget about daily emptying. It's equipped with Matrix Clean technology, meaning it doesn't just pass once, it systematically cleans from multiple angles, ensuring nothing is left behind. The HEPA filtration system captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. One detail you might not know: it's designed to recognize and avoid objects as small as phone cables or socks, reducing the risk of tangles and downtime. Plus, the vacuum works with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can clean your house just by saying the word. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that's not just powerful, but smart, efficient, and truly hands-off, the Shark AI Ultra might be your next best home upgrade.